In this video, the focus is on the basic functions of warehouse tasks in SAP. Warehouse tasks, as they are referred to in the system, control the physical movements of materials within a warehouse. Every put away, stock removal, or stock transfer is based on such a task and is represented in the system, where it is documented and traceable. A warehouse task contains key information required for operational execution. This includes, among other things, the product name, the source storage type, the source storage bin, and, if applicable, the handling unit involved. It serves as a detailed instruction for the warehouse operator and ensures that the movement is executed in a targeted, efficient, and system-supported manner. Warehouse tasks can be created automatically or manually. In most cases, the system generates them once a relevant document, such as a goods receipt or an outbound delivery order, is processed. Manual creation is also possible via specific applications or transactions, for example, for special movements or targeted stock transfers. Control is managed through strategies and customizing, which define storage bin determination, prioritization, or grouping. Once created, a warehouse task is initially in the open status. At this stage, it can still be changed or deleted. Only after confirmation is the physical movement posted in the system. During this step, stock is deducted from the source bin and assigned to the destination bin. Confirmation can be carried out via mobile devices, fixed terminals, or automated background jobs. After confirmation, the task is marked as completed. Multiple warehouse tasks can be grouped into warehouse orders. A warehouse order consolidates all tasks that logically belong together, for example, all items of a picking request. This allows tasks to be distributed, managed, and completed more efficiently. Processing sequences can also be controlled using priorities, scheduling, and blocking indicators, for instance, in the case of urgent shipments or quality-relevant materials. For monitoring and control, the Warehouse Management Monitor is available. Warehouse tasks can be evaluated there by process type, process category, status, or confirmation date. This provides a high level of transparency and enables targeted process control within the warehouse. In addition to the tasks themselves, resource utilization can also be analyzed, meaning which employees or equipment are currently working on which tasks. In summary, warehouse tasks form the operational core of SAP EWM. They ensure that material movements are executed precisely, in a structured manner, and system-supported. Through automatic generation, flexible control, and comprehensive monitoring, they support smooth warehouse operations and contribute significantly to efficiency across the entire intralogistics process.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.